Ever feel like your money disappears and you have no clue where it went? What if I told you that the secret to financial growth starts with just one habit? Welcome to day one of your 100-day journey to financial freedom, where we'll transform your finances step by step. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome to Budgetgetter, where we help you decode your budget and build a path to financial freedom. Over the next 100 days, I'll share quick, actionable tips to completely transform your money habits one small step at a time. And today, it's all about understanding the first and most important step in financial growth: tracking your money. 1. Why tracking your money is a game changer. Here's the thing: you can't fix what you can't see. Most people struggle with their finances not because they don't earn enough, but because they have no idea where their money is going. Think about it. How can you save, invest, or grow your money if you don't know how much you're spending on coffee, subscriptions, or impulse buys? Tracking your money is like shining a flashlight in a dark room. It reveals everything. 2. How to start tracking today. Don't worry. This doesn't have to be complicated. You can start tracking your expenses in 3 simple ways. Use a notebook. Old school but effective. Write down every single thing you spend money on. Download an app. Tools like Mint, YNAB, or Pocket Guard automate this for you. Spreadsheet lovers. Create a simple Excel or Google sheet to log expenses. Pick one that works for you and start today, even if it's just tracking for a week. 3. What to track? Here's what you'll log. Fixed expenses, rent, bills, loans, variable expenses, groceries, shopping, entertainment, unexpected costs, emergencies, last-minute buys. Trust me, this habit alone will make you feel more in control of your money by day 7. This is just the beginning of your 100-day financial growth journey, but it's the most important step. Start tracking your money right now, whether it's with a pen, app, or spreadsheet, and watch how this one habit can change everything. If you're ready to take control of your finances, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. I'm starting today. Let's decode your budget together, one day at a time. See you tomorrow for day 2, where we'll dive into budgeting like a pro. This is Budgetgetter, where every dollar makes sense. See you tomorrow.